Andrew here, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, 704-966-1650, option 3 for free technical support. Okay, so we're going to talk about error code Charlie 677. There's quite a few causes to this issue. Let's start with the most basic one. We're going to look for a chamber filter that may be clogged. So to find the chamber filter, you're going to take all the doors out, or all the trays out. Open the door, take all the trays out. Be careful, it might be hot, so give it some time to cool. There's two chamber filters. One is right in the center here. I'm going to pull it out. That's it. It's part of your weekly maintenance. You're going to make sure it's clean. You're going to hold it up to the light, make sure you can see through it. If it's not clean, then you're going to clean it with some speed clean, a toothbrush, some distilled water, or buy a new one. We sell it on the website, statimusa.com. Also, there's another one in the back center. I'll just point to that one. It's in the back center on the left. That one you can also pull out and make sure that one's clean. That one typically stays more clean than the one in the bottom. So you're going to clean the chamber filter and then run a cycle. See if the problem persists. While we're also there, after you open the door, you're going to want to make sure it has a door spring. This is a Midmark M9. This only has one door spring. It should be at a 45-degree angle, and it also should be put at about the 5 o'clock position. Midmark M11, which this is not, has two door springs. So you're going to want to make sure those are they're in place. So you're going to check the door spring, check the filters clogged, run an empty cycle, pull all your instruments out, pull all the trays out, run an empty cycle, see if the problem persists. The next things are going to be a door motor system latch hanging up. That's this right here. It's not going to move freely right now because it's connected with a connecting rod on the inside. You have to refer to another video to take the right-hand side panel off. But there's a connecting rod that holds that into position. There's also an Allen key that sometimes becomes loose. We'll have to check that. Give us a call. We'll kind of talk you through that procedure, or you can refer to the other videos in regards to how to take that side panel off. Then it might be kind of self-explanatory. Also, you can't see here, but there is a pressure tubing that comes from the pressure transducer. It goes into a piece of plumbing, and basically it reads, it turns the pressure inside of the chamber into an electrical signal, so the computer can read it and function. They should be positioned in a downward trajectory. If they're upward like this, it can cause the sensor itself to flood. Again, refer to other videos on how to take that panel off, and you'll see what I'm talking about, or call our tech support line. We'd love to walk you through it. Furthermore, it could be the other things are obviously internal. We got a vent valve that could be clogged. The vent valve could be bad. It says with the sterilizer in vent mode, perform the vent valve test. Okay, we'd have to put it into diagnostic mode. You also have to inspect the vent valve, clean valve, stretch spring. So that's another thing that you'll need a special tool for. It's called a spanner nut. You'll probably need an adjustable wrench, and I would recommend calling us, and we can kind of walk you through it a little bit. And then furthermore, it would be a PC board. Again, we can take the right side panel off and look at the PC board. You'd have to have an inductive ammeter and a multimeter, and we can perform any number of tests in diagnostic mode. It would be a heating element supply voltage test, making sure that the relay is functioning properly and the PC board is actually pushing out volts to the heating element. And then the main PC board relay test, and then the main PC board pressure transducer voltage test. So these are all things that we'll have to, dig a little deeper for. Hopefully, your chamber filter was clogged, or you were missing a door spring, and that was the issue that solved your problem. So if you have any questions, or if you like this video, please share it. Please subscribe to our channel. Please stay tuned for more Midmark troubleshooting videos, and have a great day.